cooling water over a 10-minute period by Harrison. Question: will the ice still be there after 10 minutes? Goal: to see how many ice cubes are left after 10 minutes. Hypothesis: I think one of the 3 ice cubes will be left. Materials: 1. Water, 100 milliliters at room temp. 2. Ice cubes. 3. Timer. 4. Thermometer. 5. Cup. 6. Pencil. 7. Data sheet.
Take the beginning temp. Add ice.
Record temp every minute for 10 minutes. Data: I found out that the ice water temperature dropped really fast. It dropped 12 degrees in the first minute. Conclusion: in this lab, I found out that in 14 minutes that all 3 ice cubes were there. I also found out that my biggest drop was in the beginning. At the end, the temperature dropped to -2. Opinion: I think we should do this experiment again.